So I got up this morning. I wanted to try and catch the sunrise. They're all still sleeping, laying down. Dad might be up, I'm not sure, but I didn't want to knock and wake him up if he wasn't. So I'm gonna go upstairs and we'll see if I can see it. I'm excited. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna see what they're doing. I'm probably just gonna lay down and relax a little bit. We don't actually get to port until, I think they said 11. The moon might be cleared by 11:30. We're gonna go to Charleston, like I said, and then kind of go from there. No, we're gonna catch an Uber, I think, and go down into like Rainbow Row and stuff. We'll kind of see Charleston, go to the city market, and then just kind of walk around and enjoy it. I can't wait. I'm actually really excited for Charleston. I can't believe that we only have 2 days left. We have today and tomorrow is the sea day, and then we'll be back in Baltimore and heading home. I do miss my sisters and I miss my dogs, so I am excited to go see them now. But I can't wait for Charleston, but yay! Alright, I'll see you guys when we get off at Charleston. Alright, so when we got off in Charleston, we picked up a free map. All I thought this was literally a map to tell me where stuff was so we could walk to it. Here, it says, ride the shuttle free to the downtown area, and it has the different colored routes. I'll have to take a picture of it and upload it so you guys will be able to see it better. But heck yeah, we were gonna Uber everywhere, but the shuttle literally stops at like Rainbow Row and stuff where we wanted to go. And when you come off of it, you can see like you walk straight into the areas. It's not like when we got off in Orlando and there was nothing there that you'd have to go somewhere. So heck yeah, this is so cool. I'm excited. We're gonna go find the shuttle. This is pretty. So we're heading to the market. We're almost there. There is the market.
A maple one?
It's Winslow's cookie store. I'll tell you the name in a minute. You can try samples.
Those look good, but there's one in Benet wafer thing.
Oh.
You hear it? A Benet wafer thing.
That's
I like
praline. I might do those in the lemon. Let's taste this and see what it is.
Okay.
This is that thing Trisha was looking at. I don't know if I like those. I like the praline and the lemon ones. Let's go on a cookie hunt. This is what the store is called. Berries.
They have a little I think the George.
Yeah. So we asked somebody where to find some good food. She said she would recommend up on like East Bay Street, the Upper East Side, or if you go down to Queen Street. So we're gonna head to Queen Street now for more of the local type of food. She said this is real touristy, which you would assume, so that's where we're heading. They have a potato chowder. That's kind of cool. A potato chowder. These are specials today. The shrimp po' boy sounds great. Ooh, fish and chips. It's had it. I think we might try here. This looks good. Okay, so we ate in there at, I forget what it's called again. It's at the Irish Pub. It was delicious. And now we're gonna go finish walking through the market and head back towards the ship area. So I'll see you at the market. We just bought a couple shirts. That's really cute. All right, so now we are gonna leave the store. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna run back to the market and take the market down to the ship.
Little booty is it.
All right, you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Going quick.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's so cold. So we just went to this little, it's in the French Quarters, Palmettoville. I don't really know how you say it, but they got some cheap stuff in there. It's cute. It has stuff just like Charleston, like a souvenir shop. All right, so we're gonna go back to the market and walk down it. All right, we are walking in single file line under these nice little covers because the rain is very cold. And there's the ship. Whoop. Big hole. Wow, it is beautiful. I definitely would love to come back here. It is so pretty. Everybody that we've met has been so nice, even like all the locals, everybody. It's wonderful, just even out on the streets. But it is pretty chilly when it rains. I'm glad we're here now, back at the port. Oh, just because it's cold. You can see it raining. I don't know if you can see it raining, but it is. Whew. Alright, going inside. So I'm gonna shut this off before I get yelled at. I got yelled at in Orlando. They're like, turn it off. So, hello. So me and Trisha just got cleaned up. Got out of the swimming pool. Now we are, oops. We are going to go up, get this filled up for dinner for me. And then we're going to go to the dining hall. Yay! It's formal night number 2. Lobster night. It was really pretty. I loved rainbow red. It was absolutely beautiful. Loved it. Loved just walking around. It was just a beautiful place to be. I like Charleston. Come back? Yeah, it's gorgeous. And I feel like the girls should see it too, because it's so pretty. Thanks.